Greetings boys and girls, and welcome in another episode about Scapy. Today I'm going to show you how you are going to send packages over the network. So on this side I'm going to create sniffer. What is important to set filter for TCP and port 10,001, just to be sure that that is our package. It's important to have interface here, so I'm going to sniff in loopback interface, and just for one package. On another side I'm going to create a package. Let's say source going to be just for fun, and destination is going to be IP address on my local network. Here we are going to set destination port to 10,001, and the message is going to be hey. Now we are going to send it. And that's all. Let's see on another side. See, we capture one package, and let's see what is inside. Nice. So that's all for this episode.